Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create an account on PS4 app. Now if you want to create an account from your PS4 app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to create your account on PS4 app or create an account from PS4 app, make sure that you have installed the PS4 app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from the App Store or Play Store. So after that you need to simply open the PS4 app, and here you will see the option of travel signing in and sign in. So you won't see the option of create an account. You need to click on the option of travel signing account at the top of sign in. So after that it takes you to the page where you need to select the country. So scroll down and select the country where you are from. So this is the PlayStation.com website, and here you'll see the option of sign in at the very top right. So click on the option of sign in, and under that it will take you to the My Account Center, and here you'll see the option of create an account. So click on the option of create an account, and here you'll see the option of already have an account sign in, or click on the option of create to create an account. So now you need to select the country or region where you are from. So let's say if I'm from US, I need to click on the option of US, and I need to select the language which I want to keep. So it is currently in English. After that you need to click on the option of next, and you need to select the date of birth of the day where you are born. So I'll simply keep a random one for now, and again click on the option of next. So here you need to keep your sign-in ID and password, and you need to re-enter the password to make your account secure. So after that you may click on the option of next, and you need to simply follow from your PlayStation app. So that's it. That's how you can create an account from PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.